Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. Today we're gonna make Bubur Ketan Hitam, black rice porridge. The things you need for a Bubur Ketan Hitam are 125 grams of black sticky rice, 600 milliliters of water, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, 100 grams of gula jawa, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 pandan leaves and some extra coconut for topping. This is black sticky rice, Ketan Hitam. It's so beautiful and we need to wash it. And you need to wash it well. You see, the water turns purple. And again. You can soak your rice overnight. Then your bubur needs to cook for about 60 minutes. When you do not soak it, it needs 1.5 hours to cook. And then the lovely flavored pandan leaves go in and the water and the coconut milk. That makes it nice and creamy and delicious. This needs to cook for 1.5 hours and on very low heat. I'm even going to use this to even out the heat in the pan. I'm going to place the lid on like this for about an hour, and then the last half hour I'm going to take it off, and then the porridge will reduce and it's going to be lovely and creamy. My porridge has been cooking for 60 minutes now, so now I can take the lid off. Which porridge, it looks so cool. We can add the little bit of salt now. That's important always with sweet desserts, to have something salty in it. It makes the sweet even more sweeter. Look, so now it needs to reduce a bit because this is too watery, but it will be fine. So it continues simmering. While this is going on, I have to, well, make my syrup, and I make it of gula jawa. This is sugar from Java, the island Java. It's really sweet. It's really has a lot of minerals, so it has a lot of flavor. I add, well, half a cup. It's about 1 deciliter of water, and we're gonna heat it up until it's syrupy and beautiful. So my gula jawa has melted. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to serve this as a condiment because I didn't add it to the porridge. So you can also add it to the porridge immediately, but I like it as a condiment because then you can decide how sweet you want your porridge. It's done. Let's check. Turn off the gas and look. After 1.5 hours, it looks like this. It's nice and creamy and thick. That's good. I need someone to decorate my porridge.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, that looks really good.
It's made for witches, don't you think?
Yeah.
It looks like that. Yeah. I think it's fun to decorate it. So this is some extra coconut milk. Look at this, you can make it really beautiful. I'm gonna add some gula jawa syrup to mine. And it really needs some. There's no sugar in it. I made some pandan leaf. Don't forget the coconut. A little bit of crispy. Shall we taste?
Yes.
Be careful because it's really hot. But because of the cold coconut milk, it's not so hot anymore. You can taste the grain still, right? From the rice, but it's done.
It's also really sweet.
It is really sweet because of the gula jawa.
Yeah.
Ooh, I would love this in the morning. What do you think?
Yeah, for sure.
Wow, this is really good. Make some too. It's really easy and so delicious. Selamat makan.
Bye.
Bye. It will even out the heat. And I'm gonna use... No, that was it.
Yeah.
Heb je hem, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it stains. It's okay. I have to finish it fast.